This is from start to finish. So we are starting from a blank slate, bringing in a 1-carat oval stone. There are plenty of different colors, cuts, and stone types to choose from in our gem library. Now we are coming in with the halo. We can pick from a selection and make adjustments if need be. Next, the bezel. Drop it straight on the stone and again make adjustments. There are plenty of different setting options that we can use. Now the shank. We are using a pre-made one here. There are hundreds of different pre-made shanks, and all of them can be modified and tweaked, giving literally an unlimited number of creatable variations. So we just place it in our 3D environment, and then we make our customizations to the shape of the shank until we get a result we like. Merge components to turn them into shapes. And then trim out the excess material. Small amounts of work that we do in the software can come to make a big difference at the bench. Now bring in some gems inside the halo. These don't necessarily have to be round stones. We can use any cut here. And there are plenty of other gem and pave tools that we can use when it comes to placing stones, making the work easy and the designs beautiful. Add some prongs to set the stones, and then make alterations to the parameters of the prongs. Again, the work that we do here can help save time at the bench. Nearly there now. Simply use some cutters too. Adding pre-cuts makes the setter's job easier. Merge and combine. Now we make some color adjustments. We can add textures or materials to our surfaces. Or we can simply view our model in a quick live render, or export to an external rendering studio. Parameters can be created for any aspect of our designs, allowing for complete and full customization. If we need to make further changes, we simply step back in the history to the point where the change is needed. Here, we want to make the side gemstones larger. So we move back in the history and tweak the stone larger. Now we just need to update the prong settings. And then we can replay the rest of history with these new changes taken into effect. Make a small change like we did here could cause all subsequent work to be lost. That's a lot of time wasted. The benefits of our history are numerable. You can even build your own tools. You can create a library of components that can be tweaked, modified, and then brought into any build. Shanks, settings, findings, cutters, and more, all here to help you model quickly and effectively. What this means is that these tools don't just make your designing experience better, but they also make the manufacturing process easier. Pre-cuts, scoops, sprues, 3D printing preparation, you name it. This software is beneficial to the entire jewelry making process. Let's see one of the neat tools in action. Choose from a selection of shanks, set the ring size, and make other customizations to the shape of the shank. On the left, you will see we also have the full history for this part, expanding the scope for customization even further. We can modify the shield or even swap it out for an entirely different design. Set your desired text. Now bring in the ring top. Again, choose from a selection and make your modifications. Such as changing the flute shape. Now we can input some text and resize it. Place a cabochon for rendering purposes. We can easily add relief designs to the shields or even bring in external files. mold them, and then morph them onto a surface. Again, this is efficient designing at its best. So, see this lion pendant here? It has 843 gemstones and over 2,000 prongs. This is a pretty intricate piece, to say the least.